Okay, so first, oh, I'm making a cashew chicken. And first thing I gotta do is get some chicken thighs seasoned up. You can use any kind of chicken you want, but chicken thighs are more flavorful than chicken breast, I'm finding. And there's a lot of stuff that's going to go on here, so all you really need is start with the garlic powder. And then work some salt into it. Then I got this pan, I got some oil in this pan. And then I'm just going to put my chicken down and get it cooked through. I don't know where my favorite knife is, so I'm just using this knife. I'm just going to dice an onion up and scoop it to the side to add to the chicken when it's done cooking, or when it's almost done cooking. And then we've got mushrooms. We're just going to slice up the mushrooms. We also have zucchini. It's going to go in it.
Start?
Is it going?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is for the sauce that everything's going to be tossed in. It's soy sauce. I use low sodium. You could use whatever kind you want. Some garlic powder. And you can use brown sugar or honey. I don't know where any brown sugar is, so I'm using a little bit of honey. Hold up a minute. And then also some onion powder. And then you just whisk it all up like that. And this will go in, once the vegetables and the chicken are all cooked together, this will be tossed in the last few minutes. The chicken is about halfway cooked, and now I'm going to add all the vegetables. I'm going to give it a toss, and then I'm going to cover it for about half the cooking time, so maybe about 7 minutes. So now we're going to take some cashew pieces and halves and stuff and just put a bunch in there. That's about a cup. And then take the sauce we mixed up and then dump that in here, and we just toss it together and then let it all heat together and get those flavors all incorporated. So it's finished. You just spoon it up in a bowl and eat it. You could have it over rice or noodles if you'd like. We're just going to have it plain.